All you need is some white paint, some silver glitter. You're going to need some popsicle sticks. You're going to need 6 big popsicle sticks. You're also going to need 12 little popsicle sticks. Some glue sticks. You're going to need some white glue and a brush to apply it with, or you can just get your fingers messy if you're okay with that. A pair of scissors, a paintbrush to apply the paint with, some newspaper so that you don't get your surface dirty. So the first thing that you're going to be doing is taking 2 of the big popsicle sticks and attaching them the way I've attached these two to each other. So just take it and put some hot glue on the end and press it down, and you're obviously overlapping them a little bit. You're going to overlap them just like that. So put some glue on the center one right there. And you're not going to put it straight across like a T, you're going to go on a little bit of an angle. And then you're going to put more glue, and you're going to put the other one on that same angle. Just hold it down until it's dry. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is cut all of your little toothpicks in half. You just want to make sure you're using really sharp scissors. The thing you're going to do is attach the little pieces like that to the tops of the snowflake. So just take 2 ends. They don't have to be the 2 ends that go together, just 2 ends. Put some glue on one and then hold them together in like a wide V like that. And wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, you're going to put some more glue right there and then stick it to the back side of your popsicle thing. You can just decide which side is going to be your back. And then just stick them on. I stick mine down so that they're all relatively the same height. You should have 6 popsicle sticks left that have been cut in half. And what you want to do is just cut the length of these in half. The side you want to keep is the rounded sides. We're going to attach littler ones just under in here. So that's why we cut those obviously smaller. So do the same thing. Put some glue and make it into like a wide V. You're going to glue it onto the back of your popsicle stick. Snowflake. Just like that. And it's just going to give you like more dimension in it. Okay, so once you have all the little pieces glued on, it should look something like that. I just think it adds a little bit more interest to it. So the next thing we're going to do is paint it white. You could obviously do this before you start gluing everything together, but I think this just works easier because you're not wasting paint on parts that you're not seeing. I'm just using a plain old paintbrush, and so I'm just going to put some on and then just, you know, paint it over the entire thing. I just finished painting my snowflake white and I let it dry, which is what you want to do. But I'm just taking some white glue. It's just like craft glue, like, you know, typical old white school glue. And the reason that I painted it white was just in case there's any spaces showing through. But I'm just going to put this on all of the pieces of wood. And I'm going to take my little sponge brush and just spread the glue out so that it's on there evenly. And then take your glitter, I'm using this silver glitter, and just shake it on. Okay, so once your snowflake is dry and all the glitter is adhered, you want to be able to have a way to hang this. You could, I guess, just tape it to your wall or something, but I'm just going to use some of this like elastic ribbon stuff that I got at the dollar store. And I don't have any silver or white, which would be the ideal, but so I'm just going to use red. I'm just going to cut a few inches off. Just like that. And then I'm going to glue it to the back. Okay, so I'm just going to turn mine over. You can see I didn't even paint the back. I just painted the part that you'd be seeing. So that's why I waited until it was all put together to paint it. But I'm just going to put some hot glue right on the edge there. And then I'm going to take my ribbon that I have previously cut. I'm going to fold it in half. Just going to press them into the hot glue. I'm going to put a little bit more glue just on top to seal them in. Okay, so I have attached the string at the top and now it's ready to be hung. Obviously, if you're putting this somewhere where it can completely rotate, you're probably going to want to glitter and paint both sides, but this side is really ugly with all the overlapping of the popsicle stick. So I'm just going to hang mine flat against a wall so that this is the only side that you see. This would be a great idea for the person who messaged me and asked, said they had a blank wall that they wanted to decorate in their house. How could they do that? These would be really, really inexpensive. And you could do them in all different sizes, and you could put, you know, the little popsicle sticks in different places and make all different kinds of different. And you could make a whole bunch of different styles of snowflakes using this technique, and it would work really well. So I hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for the next one.